Sofia the couponer here, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday, so you know what that means. And CVS Newbie deals that anyone can do at CVS require no CRT. These deals start May 23rd and will last on until May 29th. We have some moneymaker makeup and we have some very cheap oral care. So make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already, and let's get straight into these deals. So deal number one is contact solutions. You're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 Renew contact solutions for $8.99 each. Or buy one get one 50% off next week. So your total is going to be at $13.49. It looks like we're getting a $2 off CVS coupon from the coupon center. You're gonna go ahead and use that, and you're gonna go ahead and use 2 $3 coupons for the Renew that we will be getting in our 523 smart stores. You're gonna go ahead and pay $5.49, and your final cost will be at $5.49, or just $2.72 each. And that is a pretty amazing deal for contact solution, and it is excellent if you are new to CVS and if you want some contact solution CRTs. Make sure to go ahead and do this purchase. Deal number 2 is for some cheap oral care. You're gonna go ahead and buy 2 Colgate mouthwash, or you can go ahead and get the Colgate toothbrushes, the 1 count, for $4.49 each. You're gonna use 2 $1 coupons from the 523 smart stores. You're gonna pay $6.98, but you're gonna get back that $5 extra, making your final cost at $1.98 or 99 cents each. And you can do this deal twice. So you can go ahead and max out the deal and grab 4 and get a $10 extra if you want. Deal number 3 is for some more cheap oral care. You're gonna go ahead and buy 2 select Colgate toothpaste, the Colgate Optic White, the Total, the Max, or the 2-in-1 Max Fresh for $3.99 each. You're gonna use 2 $1 coupons from the 523 smart stores. You're gonna pay $5.98, get a $4 extra. Final cost will be $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Deal number 4 is for some more cheap oral care. So you're gonna go ahead and buy 2 of the select Colgate toothpaste priced at $4.99 each. That is the Colgate Optic White, Animal Health, or the Sensitive toothpaste. You're gonna use 2 $1 coupons from the 523 smart stores. Pay $7.98, get back a $5 extra, making your final cost $2.98 or just $1.49 each. Now our next deal is for some free makeup. I love when this deal comes around. So CoverGirl Cosmetics, when you buy any 2 CoverGirl Cosmetics, you'll get a $6 extra, and we are getting a mystery offer coupon. So you're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 eyeliners at $6.49 each, the double eyeliners with the pencil sharpeners. You're gonna use 2 $3 coupons from the 523 smart stores, and I'm guessing our mystery offer is going to be at $3. Even if it's $2, it's still gonna be a moneymaker. In this scenario, I put it, if it's $3, you're gonna pay it $3.98, get back a $6 extra, making your final cost free and a $2.02 moneymaker. That is an amazing deal if you were completely new to CVS. Deal number 6 is for some cheap Claro. So this is a little glitch deal. You're gonna buy 2 Claro hair boxes for $15. If we get a $6 digital coupon, you're gonna go ahead and clip that and use the $6 paper coupon. Coupons do usually glitch, so it'll make your final cost $3 or just $1.50 each. Deal number 7 is for some cheap makeup. So you're gonna go ahead and buy the Physicians Formula Blush palette at $14.99. Or you can buy any other makeup that is $14.99 because it reaches the 98% rule. You're gonna pay $14.99, get back a $7 extra, making your final cost $7.99, and it's actually cheaper than other stores if you look and compare the deals. So if you want some cheap, nice makeup, then go ahead and pick up some Physicians Formula at CVS. Deal number 8 is for some cheap sunscreen. You're gonna buy 2 copper tone sunscreens at $9.99 each. Use a $5 off of 2 coupon that we will be getting in the 523 save. You're gonna pay $14.98, get back a $10 extra, making your final cost $4.98 or $2.49 each. And this is just an amazing deal if you don't have CRTs at all. And if you do this deal, hopefully you will get some sunscreen CRTs within a while after your CVS purchases. So go ahead and pick up the sunscreen deal. It is a limit 1 per card, but I think it's an amazing deal for sunscreen. Now, deal number 9 is maybe for like some cheap Tom's Main oral care or deodorant. It says it's going to be at $5.99 when you pay with card, and it looks like we're getting a $2 extra, but it's already going to be at $3.99, and it says we're getting a send to card. So if the send to card, it could be $1 off, $2 off or something. So the final cost could be at $2.99 to even 99 cents each. So you're going to want to go ahead and check that on Sunday, and I will update you guys on this deal on Sunday and basically to see what the coupon is. But I think this is still an amazing beginner deal, so go ahead and look for that. And our last deal is for some toilet paper. So with the Babu toilet paper, they're going to be buy 1 get 1 free, buy 2 get a $3 extra. But if you were in need from toilet paper, this is for you. So you're going to go ahead and buy 2 Babu toilet papers at $11.99 each, and one of them will automatically be free from the sale. So you're going to pay for one of them at $11.99, get back a $3 extra, making your final cost $8.99 or just $4.49 each. Now the tree-free paper towels and the Oh So Soft toilet paper, they're going to be a buy 1 get 1 free, so you're going to go ahead and pay full price for one of them. So if you need toilet paper, go ahead and get, and if you want to get some CRTs like those buy 2 get 3 free or the buy 1 get 2 free, those CRTs that we got, then you should go ahead and try this deal and hope for the best that you get those CRTs. And And yeah, so that is it for the 10 CVS Newbie deals for May 23rd to May 29th. And I hope these deals help you guys out on Sunday for those who have no CRT. It is a pretty small ad. It is going to be a mighty haul this week, I'm sure. And we have lots of cheap oral care deals, which is amazing for beginners at CVS that require no CRT. So before this video ends, I would like to say that I have some CVS printables for sale. So make sure you guys go check that out. And I do have a giveaway that is going to be ending on Sunday. So make sure you guys go enter that. There's going to be 4 winners. So I will leave the link down below for both of those videos. So you guys go enter. And that is it for this video, guys. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Make sure to turn it to all to get notified every time I have a new upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!